Good day to my future employer in Hong Kong. I am Evelding Lasa from Philippines. I am 24 years old. I am a single parent with one kid, ages 3 years old. I have one brother and one sister, and I am the middle. I am a college graduate with a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management. It's my first time to work abroad, but I have an experience here in the Philippines for 3 years. I serve for members of the family, including two adults ages 29 and 32, two kids ages 3 and 5. My main duties are general cleaning, cooking, ironing and washing their clothes, gardening, car washing, and most especially taking care of the children. If you choose me, Ma'am Answer, I promise that I will do my very best as your helper. You can trust me because I am a responsible person, flexible, fast learner, honest, trustworthy, and I am a hardworking person. Thank you and God bless.